Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Worldcoin account without your phone. Just an important reminder, if you lost your phone and can access your Worldcoin application, recovery depends on your security settings. Worldcoin uses biometric verification and your World ID, so recovery is possible even without your old device. So step 1, download the World application on your new phone or tablet. Step 2, open the application and start recovery. Basically, tap Get Started, open the World app and get started. Choose Recover Account. In here, tap Already Have an Account and choose Recover Account option. Step number 4, enter your account details. So enter the email address or phone number linked to your Worldcoin account if you're registered with either, or your World ID if you have written it down, but most probably you have your email and phone, right? Now check your email inbox for any past Worldcoin welcome emails. They often include hints about your World ID. Step number 5, biometric verification. So this will scan a Worldcoin or application or facial recognition is supported in your country. Just follow the on-screen instructions for biometric scanning. You have to verify your email for step 6 if prompted. So they will send an email if you choose your verification and recovery via email. So basically after that one, set up a new PIN. And after that one, you have access to your wallet and your World ID. That's gonna be it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.